Hey guys, Tony here. I did want to make another video on Coinbase, just showing this. Shiba Inu did cross 52 microcents. I did get a notification on crypto.com that it actually crossed 54 microcents, which is absolutely insane. And this is part of the, this kind of goes back into the TA that I did, I think yesterday and today, where I said that, I think there's a really good chance that we're going to see we're going to see 53, 54, 55, somewhere around that range, and it makes me pretty happy that we actually did hit that. I think that if this current price manages to stay around here, or we actually level off here, or we keep rising, I think once we cross over 59 microcents, 60 microcents, I think it's going to be a straight shot to 90 microcents. There's no resistance, right? From 59 microcents to around 90 microcents. I don't think there's going to be any resistance. So if we do cross that 59, 60 microcent level for Shiba Inu, I do think that it's going to be, I don't want to say a straight shot up, but I do think that 90 microcents is going to be pretty achievable. And I think we can definitely knock out a zero before the end of the year. Again, still all speculation, right? We still don't know, but as far as what TA shows that we can definitely still run, and it definitely looks like it can keep going, hard to the upside. But just letting you guys know, we did break that relative high of 49.60-ish, 49.70-ish for the microcents, and it does look like we are going to be possibly looking at a break of 53 microcents, possibly soon, maybe even live while I'm making this video right now. We're going to see, because I think, you guys can see right now, the high on Coinbase was actually 52.99. So the fact that it was exactly that before it sold off just means that a lot of people actually had a lot of sell limits at 52.99. And the really good thing about sell limits is that they get hit, but once that wall gets crushed by a bunch of buys, it's just everybody that's selling out at 53, that's done. That's it. You're done. You're not hitting that. And it just keeps shooting to the upside. So super cool, man. I'm super happy that it's hitting these numbers. I have to go back to the TA and see what happens, but I'm hoping to wake up tomorrow and it's at like 1 cent. I know that's, what I'm saying? Like, I think everybody hopes that actually happens. Not saying that it will, but, just happy that it actually hit almost 53 microcents here, 54 microcents on crypto.com. I'll check the other platforms and I'll make another video later, but, congratulations to everybody that's holding, keep holding. This is just another barrier, or another obstacle in the price, and I think as long as people just hold and I think for the most part, like I've always told you guys before, I was in doggy for a very long time, and I sold with a certain amount, I sold at a very nice price, and I think that Shiba Inu can actually give a even bigger multiple than what doggy did. So if doggy did from lows, to highs like a 250x, I think that Shiba Inu can possibly do, even more than that. And I think that Shiba Inu can at least match the market cap of what doggy was at its peak. So at 70-ish, 75 cents, that doggy was at a market cap of like 90 billion. I think that it's very, very likely that Shiba Inu can at least match that market cap of Doggy Coin at $90 billion, where you actually have a structure in Shiba Inu and you actually have, a lot of backing on it, instead of, Doggy, which is kind of essentially doesn't have too much of a backing, right? Apart from just like Elon Musk, and that's kind of it. And it's only when he like posts like Twitter and then it runs up. Other than that, nothing happens, and the crazy part to me is that Shiba Inu is running organically, right? Obviously there's a lot of Ethereum whales, buying into this, and there's a lot of people, a lot of retail, just a lot of people in general. But this isn't being pumped by one person, right? This is just being pumped by just retail and just everybody all together, and just people like holding and stuff. So that's what makes me really happy. It's not one person posting on Twitter a picture of a dog. This is just kind of like an organic growth from just everybody purchasing. So that makes me feel a lot better, instead of having one person have like full control over the price of a certain crypto. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.